I'm curious to know what you consider to be toxic femininity versus toxic masculinity.
Thank you for the question.
Yeah.
I agree with this part of the definition with the shaming. I would include blaming, actually. I think the shadow side of feminine consciousness is like, so I think feminine energy is vulnerable. It's inherently a vulnerable, open energy. But I think the shadow side of that is victimhood and blaming. And usually it's through shame. And I think that we're experiencing a lot of that in the culture. So I would say shaming, blaming, and victimhood. With the manipulation that you pointed out as well. And it's really weird because to talk about toxic masculinity, I think everyone's more well acquainted with what that looks like. But the thing is, I think toxic femininity is actually much more subtle because it's much more emotional oppression and emotional manipulation as opposed to physical manipulation. And that, as a result, it's much harder to identify when it's going on, and it's much more sensitive to call out.